Welcome back. Have you ever write a long expression in JavaScript, run it, and the result is something completely different from what you expected? Yeah, that's operator precedence. Basically, JavaScript's way of saying, I'll decide what happens first. Today, we are going behind the scenes, and I'll show you some fun Unary tricks people don't expect. But first, let's understand what's operator precedence. Operator precedence is just the order in which JavaScript evaluates operations. In math class, you know that multiplication happens before addition. JavaScript works the same way, but with a lot of more operators. For example, console.log 2 plus 3 by 4. It equals 14. Why it equals 14? 3 by 4 is 12. Because multiplication happens first. Then we add 2, as the result is 14. It's like a to-do list. Some tasks must happen before others, like coffee before emails. Now let's understand the simple precedence you must know. First, parentheses. It's always first. So, for example, 2 plus 3, between parentheses, by 4. It's 20. Because parentheses always first. Unary operators like plus plus x, minus minus x, plus x, minus x, not x. These happen before arithmetic. Then multiplication, division, and module. After that, addition and subtraction. Then comparison operator like greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. After that, the equality operators, like strict equality or loose equality, strict not equal and loose not equal. After that, logical and or. And happens before or. So, to keep this simple, if you remember just this list, you are already ahead of 80% of new developers. Now let's talk about associativity. Associativity is just a fancy word. That means if two operators have the same precedence, should we go left to right or right to left? So, for example, console.log 10 minus 3 minus 2. It's left to right, because we have to do it 10 minus 3, which is 7, minus 2 is 5. Right to left is like assignment. Let A equals B equals C equals 10. It's assigning 10 to C, and then C to B, and then B to A. So, it's right to left. Now let's see some tricks using Unary operators. It's a cool part. Let's say, for example, console.log plus 5 as a string. It turns into number 5. Console.log plus true. It's 1. Console.log plus false. It's 0. Console.log plus empty string. You can guess it. It's 0. It's like JavaScript saying, alright, enough games. What number are you really? We can also use Unary with minus, like we used it with plus. It's the same thing, but it negates the number. For example, console.log minus 5 as a string is minus 5. Console.log minus true is, you can guess it, minus 1. Logical not, it flips truth. So, for example, console.log not true. It's false. Console.log not false. It's true. But what if we use double not? Like, for example, console.log double not hello. It converts to Boolean. It's equal to true. Console.log double not 0. It's false. Two nots cancel out, but they also turn things into booleans. Okay, let's see another example. Let x equals 5. Console.log plus plus x. it equals to 6 because it updates before using. We call it prefix because we added the operator before the variable. Let's see another example. Let y equals 5. Console.log y++. It equals to 5 because it's showing the value of y and then it increments the value by 1. We call it postfix because the operator is after the variable. But why this matters? Why precedence and all this stuff matters? This stuff comes into play in loops, calculations, conditions, form validations, and every Rail app you will write. Understanding precedence makes your code predictable, not magical chaos. So now, the golden rule. If you are ever unsure about precedence, use parentheses. Seriously, even I sometimes just write things in parentheses to be safe. You now understand the order JavaScript false, and you know the coolest Unary tricks. You are officially leveling up fast. Next time you read confusing code with plus, not equal to, minus, something like that, you will say, "On my coffee, I speak JavaScript now."